Welcome to a series of videos dedicated to my generative art project about the universe. Before we get to the point, let's start with the coin. Let's draw a coordinate system. Now draw a coin on top of it. Imagine that it is flat and the same on both sides. The task is as follows. It is necessary to turn our coin in the horizontal direction. Something like this. For these purposes, I use the cosine. And I also added a slider to change the rotation angle. Okay, next step. It is necessary to get all possible views of this coin. Part of the work has already been done. We can turn it around. Now we can cheat and rotate the coordinate system instead of the coin itself. Together, these two rotations allow us to create all possible views of the coin. But we don't take into account the distance to the coin. Let's fix it. The scale function helped us with this. We'll talk about why we needed this coin in the next video.